Hello, and welcome to the Astrology LibGuide. This LibGuide is designed for beginner astrologers wanting to learn the basics and history of astrology. This LibGuide is broken down into subject tabs, which can be seen along the top of the page. Here on the home page, this is going to give you a brief overview of the subject, along with suggestions of reference materials, such as dictionaries, encyclopedias, and over on the right here are some databases we suggest if later down the road you want to dive a little deeper than the material we provide here. The General Info and History tabs, located at the top of the page, will have books, ebooks, journal articles, and videos. The books are linked to the Mizzou Library, and you will be able to access them with your student credentials. Lastly, if you are looking to learn more about your own astrological sign, click on the About Signs tab. Here you can find out what your sign is, figure out what the sun sign and moon sign actually mean. We also give you links to figure out your daily horoscope and even create your birth chart. This is just a little more fun and to make this experience more personal.